Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my beloved brothers and sisters. Before I begin, let me tell you something that might shake your heart today. The moment you felt lost, the moment you cried alone, the moment life broke you, that was not a coincidence. That was Allah calling you back. That was Allah choosing you. You see, everything that enters your life, every lesson, every heartbreak, every delay, every blessing, every person, it all comes from Allah's perfect plan. There is no randomness in the life of a believer. Not a tear you shed, not a moment you struggled, not a door that closed. Nothing is accidental. Allah reminds us in the Quran, indeed, we test you with something of fear and hunger and loss of wealth, lives and fruits. But give glad tidings to the patient. Quran 2:15-5. When Allah sends something into your life, whether beautiful or painful, it comes with wisdom, purpose and love. Sometimes you feel it immediately. Sometimes you don't understand it for years. But eventually, the truth unfolds. Every hardship is a message. Every delay is protection. Every heartbreak is a redirection. Every blessing is a sign that Allah hasn't forgotten you. My dear brothers and sisters, there are moments Allah shakes your heart because He wants to awaken your soul. Sometimes He lets you taste sadness so you finally return to Him. Sometimes He allows something to collapse so He can rebuild you upon something stronger, purer, deeper, and more beautiful. And sometimes Allah sends a person into your life at the exact moment you needed guidance, support, or healing. Maybe it was someone who reminded you of prayer. Maybe it was someone who helped you when no one else did. Maybe it was someone whose presence brought you back to Allah. And sometimes that same person leaves, not because Allah wanted to hurt you, but because their chapter in your story simply ended. Allah says in the Quran, and it may be that you dislike something while Allah has placed much good in it. Quran 4:19. This means that there is hidden goodness even inside moments that break you. You may not understand it right now, but Allah sees what you don't. He hears what you cannot hear. He knows every trap you were walking toward. He knows every heartbreak you were saved from. He knows every dua you made that required protection before acceptance. Sometimes the no you heard was saving you. Sometimes the delay was building you. Sometimes what was taken from you was replaced by something greater. And sometimes Allah takes you to the edge of your strength so you fall into sujood, because that sujood will change your life forever. My brother, my sister, when Allah sends a test, He is not punishing you. He is purifying you. He is elevating you. He is inviting you to rise through patience, dua, trust, tawakkul, and submission. When Allah sends a blessing, He is not spoiling you. He is showing you His love. He is telling you, remember me, thank me. I am the one who gave it to you. When Allah removes someone from your life, He is telling you, this person was not written for your future. When Allah closes a door, He is telling you, if you knew what I know, you would choose this too. Allah says beautifully in the Quran, and whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him. Quran 65:3. If Allah is enough for you, then losing anything else will never destroy you. If Allah is with you, then being alone will never break you. If Allah holds your heart, then no one can shatter it. Sometimes we forget that Allah writes our stories with mercy, so when He removes something, we see loss. But Allah sees danger, He sees deceit, He sees harm, He sees heartbreak before it happens. So He protects you, sometimes in ways you don't appreciate until much later. Maybe the job you didn't get would have destroyed your faith. Maybe the person you wanted was not meant for your heart. Maybe the path you begged for would have taken you away from Allah. Maybe the delay in your dua is because Allah is preparing the perfect time, the perfect outcome, the perfect version of you. And sometimes what Allah sends into your life, even the pain, is actually the beginning of your healing. The moments that broke you, saved you. The tears you cried, washed you. The hardships you faced, shaped you. One day you will look back and say, that moment I thought was the end was actually the beginning. My beloved brothers and sisters, don't think Allah forgot you. Don't think Allah abandoned you. Don't think Allah is silent. He is planning. He is preparing. He is protecting. He is purifying. He is teaching. He is guiding. You are exactly where Allah wants you to be. And now, let me leave you with the same powerful reminder we began with. The moment life broke you, the moment you fell on your knees, the moment something changed your path, it was not a coincidence. It was not an accident. Allah sent it to you to awaken you, strengthen you, guide you, and bring you closer to Him. Trust the one who writes your story, because His plan will always be more beautiful than your dreams.